You are always busy these days.
Yes, I am focusing on my studies.
But you should also take some rest.
I know, but exams are very close.
Still, health is more important than studies.
You are right. I will manage my time better.
I think social media wastes a lot of time.
Not always. It can also be useful.
How can it be useful?
We can learn many things from it.
Yes, but most people just scroll without purpose.
That depends on how you use it.
You should start exercising daily.
I don't have enough time for that.
Just 20 minutes is enough.
Okay, I will try from tomorrow.
English is very important nowadays.
Yes, I am trying to improve it.
Practice speaking daily.
That's a good idea.
What is your future plan?
I want to become successful in life.
Everyone wants that. But what is your goal?
I want to become a good officer.
That's great. You can do it.
Thank you for motivating me.
Sometimes you look very serious.
I just think a lot about my future.
Don't overthink too much.
I'll try to stay positive.
Friends are very important in life.
Yes, but true friends are rare.
That's true.
We should choose friends wisely.